So this question is really about being able to draw this diagram based on the information given here. That's probably the part that takes most of the time. Of course, you won't have the luxury of using all these colors, and I'm doing this so that it's easier for you to visualize here. But this is where most of the effort is going to go. So here, this is 8 centimeters, that's 8. And because BC is a diameter, that's 90 degrees. And so this is a right isosceles triangle, which means BC would be the hypotenuse as 8 root 2. So for this circle, radius is half of that, which is 4 root 2. And we're asked to find the overlapping area. So that's this part here. Now you can think of it as in two parts. One is this upper part, which is half the area of this red circle. So that would be half pi 4 root 2 square. So that's 16 times 2 is 32. So that's 16 pi. And then I need to add this sliver here, which is really the part of this triangle here. So let me let me redraw that part. So it's something like that. So I need to find this area. Now that's 90 degrees, which means the area of this entire sector would be 1/4 the area of the larger circle. Now what's the radius of the larger circle? Well, that's AC. You're going from center to the end of this circle. So that would be 8 squared. So this is 64 pi over 4. So that's 16 pi. That's the area of the entire sector. Then I have to subtract the area of this triangle ABC. And note, this is the base, then that would be the altitude because it's a right triangle. So area of that triangle would be half 8 times 8, which is 32. And I need to subtract that from 32. And that would give me the area of that sliver, this piece here. And next, I need to take that and add it to that half the area of the semicircle. So it would be 16 pi plus 16 pi minus 32, which becomes 32 pi minus 32. If you factor 32, it becomes that, which is answer choice C.